Determining if a car has a clean title is a critical step in the used car buying process, ensuring you don't purchase a vehicle with a hidden, problematic history. A clean title means the vehicle has never been deemed a total loss by an insurance company. This is the opposite of a branded title, which could be labeled as salvage, rebuilt, flood, lemon, or another designation indicating significant damage or issues. The very first step is simple: ask the seller to see the physical title document. Examine it carefully. A clean title will not have any of these brands stamped or printed on it. The branding location varies by state, but it is typically in a prominent box or section on the document. If the seller is hesitant to show you the title, consider it a major red flag. However, a clean-looking paper title is not enough proof, as title washing is a common scam. This is where a vehicle history report, VHR, becomes absolutely essential. Services like CarFax or AutoCheck compile data from DMVs, insurance companies, and repair shops across the country. You must run a VHR using the car's vehicle identification number, or VIN. The report will explicitly list any title brands that have ever been issued for that vehicle, even if they are not on the current physical title. This is how you can defeat title washing, which occurs when a scammer takes a salvage vehicle to a state with lenient laws to obtain a new, clean-looking title. For an additional layer of security, use the National Motor Vehicle Title Information System, known as NMVTIS. This is a reliable national database operated by the U.S. Department of Justice. It is specifically designed to prevent consumers from purchasing unsafe vehicles with fraudulent titles. You can get an NMVTIS report from an approved online provider, and it will give you current and historical title data, odometer readings, and any total loss or salvage history. Finally, you must conduct a thorough physical inspection. A clean title does not mean the car has never been in an accident, it just means an insurance company never declared it a total loss. Look for signs of major repairs, such as mismatched paint, body panels that don't align properly, or welding marks on the frame. Check for evidence of flood damage, like rust under the carpets, a mildew smell inside the cabin, or silt in the engine bay. The best course of action is to pay for a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted, independent mechanic. They are trained to spot signs of major collisions or flood damage that could indicate the car should have been totaled but somehow slipped through the cracks. Combining these steps, reviewing the physical title, running both a VHR and an NMVTIS report, and getting a professional inspection, is the most comprehensive way to verify a car's title is truly clean. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more helpful car tips.